Hey, what's up, Matt's Garage? If you're tuning into this episode, you probably are about to tear your hair out. I'm going to try to get this fixed with this idea that I had. I don't know if it'll work, but first let me show you the problem. Yeah, and that's a Bronco I'm restoring. Check that out on my channel. Haven't been working on it lately, but I'm going to get to it. So anyway, I'm restoring a John Deere lawn tractor so I could use it. Someone gave it to me. And I got these wheels, which are great, these tires, and I got them mounted on the rim, but I can't get them to seat because, as you can see, like, I cannot get enough of a seal to even get them to pop on there. Now they make something called a Bead blaster, which is like an air tank, a portable air tank. It looks like a vacuum hose coming out of it, but it's, you know, it's got a valve and it just unleashes a huge amount of air into the bead and helps it seat. I don't have one of those and I don't want to buy one. So, but what I do have is a leaf blower. So my thinking is to hook up a small portable pump, because these actually lock on to the valve stem. So you go like that, you can take that out, lock that on the valve stem, have air pumping into the tire, and then blow it with my leaf blower and see if it seats. I have no idea if this is going to work, but let's go find out. Okay, here's the basic setup. I got my wheel and tire mounted. I have a car little 12-volt compressor, and the reason I'm using this is because it has the lock on the end, so I can put that on the valve stem and lock it into place. I don't have an assistant. I have a big compressor, but a lot of people don't have big compressors, so this might be useful. I got a car battery, but obviously if you're close to a car, you can just hook that into your cigarette lighter, and my lawn leaf blower. So let's see if she works. I forgot to soap the bead. This generally just helps everything. You saw it was trying to do it there. Let's see if it actually... Very close, man. Famous last words. There it is. Now, you saw what I just went through. And some of you guys have money, some of you don't. $60 bead blaster, worth it? Yeah, probably worth it.